The Napoleon Brass Grill Brush is designed for cleaning before and after grilling. At 18 inches long, it provides good leverage for more powerful brushing without damaging your grids. This essential accessory keeps your grill clean and increases its lifespan by removing corroding materials. The brass bristles are best suited for cast iron grids with enamel coating. Includes a metal scraper on the head to deal with those tough burnt-on spots. Built for comfort, this handle is heat-resistant with a natural hardwood finish. The durable handle also features a hanger that attaches to your grill for convenience. Start pre-grilling by brushing the grids back and forth. Turn over grids by using the Napoleon Grid Lifter and glove. It is important to remember to clean both sides of the grids. After cooking while the grids are still hot, strongly use the brass brush again. Tackle tough spots using the scraper. Conveniently hang on your grill after use. The Napoleon 18-inch Brass Grill Brush.